Hey there, future IB English B champions. Welcome back to the channel. Are you staring at a paper one prompt and the word proposal has you feeling a little lost? Don't worry. Today, we are going to demystify the proposal and give you the tools you need to write a compelling, high-scoring piece. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a proposal in the world of IB English B? Think of it as a formal plan. It's a document where you suggest a specific course of action to solve a problem or improve a situation. The ultimate goal is to persuade your audience to say yes to your idea. For paper one, you might be asked to propose anything from improving school recycling programs to organizing a new cultural event. This is your chance to showcase not just your writing skills, but also your ability to think critically and structure a persuasive, logical argument. Before you write a single word, you need to remember the golden rule of any IB text type. Master your CAP. That stands for context, audience, and purpose. These three elements are the absolute foundation of a successful proposal. Context. This is the why. It's the background information given to you in the prompt. What is the current situation? What problem needs to be addressed? Your proposal will be built on this foundation, but the brilliant solutions you come up with will be all your own. Audience. This is the who. Who are you trying to convince? Is it your school principal, the student council, or perhaps a local government body? Your language, tone, and the very arguments you choose must be perfectly tailored to persuade them. Always think about what matters to your audience. For instance, a proposal to the school board might focus on cost effectiveness and educational benefits, while a proposal to fellow students could highlight fun and engagement. Purpose. This is the what. What do you want to achieve? In a proposal, your purpose is almost always to solve a problem. To be effective, your proposal must be relevant, practical, and attractive to your audience. A well-structured proposal is not just easy to read, it's also far more persuasive. Here's a blueprint you can follow for a clear and logical flow. Title. Start with a clear, professional title that summarizes your proposal. Something like, a proposal to enhance student well-being through a peer mentoring program. Immediately tells your reader what to expect. Introduction. Begin by stating the aim of your proposal. Briefly introduce the problem and provide any necessary background. This is your chance to hook the reader and make them care about the issue. Problem statement. Now, elaborate on the problem. Why does it need to be addressed? Use facts, figures, or even a brief, relevant anecdote from the prompt to illustrate the seriousness of the issue. For example, if you are addressing cyberbullying, you could discuss its impact on student mental health and academic performance. Proposed solution. This is the heart of your proposal. Clearly and confidently present your main idea. What is your brilliant solution to the problem you've just outlined? Details and implementation. This is where you show you've thought everything through. Break down your solution into concrete, actionable steps. Use subheadings, bullet points, or a numbered list to make this section easy to follow. If your solution is an anti-cyberbullying campaign, you could detail the creation of a student-led committee, a series of educational workshops, and a confidential reporting system. Benefits. Sell your solution. What are the positive outcomes? Explain how implementing your proposal will benefit your audience and the wider community. Focus on tangible advantages like improved student morale, a safer school environment, or enhanced academic success. Potential obstacles and solutions. Show your critical thinking skills by anticipating potential challenges. Then, offer practical solutions. This demonstrates foresight and makes your proposal more credible. If funding is a potential obstacle, you could suggest applying for community grants or organizing a fundraiser. Conclusion. End with a powerful summary of your main points and a firm reiteration of your recommendation. Your conclusion should include a strong call to action, confidently urging your audience to approve and support your proposal. Now, let's talk about how you say it. The right language and tone are essential for persuasion. Register and tone. You should maintain a formal register. This means avoiding slang and overly casual language. Your tone should be objectively authoritative. You are the expert here, but a touch of subjective enthusiasm can make your proposal more engaging and memorable. Persuasive style. Your primary goal is to persuade, so use strong, clear arguments, supported by logic and evidence. However, remember that a proposal is a formal document, not a flashy advertisement. Avoid hyperbole and stick to a professional, convincing style. Conventions. Use clear organizational features. Headings, subheadings, and bullet points are your best friends. They break up the text, making your proposal easy to navigate and understand. Remember, clarity builds credibility. Ready to take your proposal from good to great? Here are a few final tips to ensure you shine. Word count. Keep the typical word count of 250 to 400 words for SL and 450 to 600 words for HL in mind. This requires you to be both comprehensive and concise. Know your text type. A proposal is not a brochure, a set of instructions, or a speech. Each has a different purpose and audience. Stay true to the persuasive, problem-solving nature of the proposal format. Be specific. Vague suggestions are unconvincing. Provide concrete details and actionable steps to show that your solution is well considered and practical. Proofread, proofread, proofread. I can't say this enough. A polished proposal, free of grammar and spelling errors, shows that you are a careful and competent writer. Read it aloud to catch any awkward phrasing. And that's a wrap. Writing a top-tier IB Language B proposal is all about understanding your CAP, building a logical structure, and using persuasive, formal language. It may seem like a lot, but with practice, you'll be crafting winning proposals in no time. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more IB Language B content, and let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. Good luck with your writing, and I'll see you in the next video.